Think you need Canva or design experience to make money on KDP? You actually don't. And here's how to get started without it. Most beginners open Canva and try to design a journal from scratch. They get stuck adjusting margins, fixing fonts, or just staring at a blank page. And if you've never done layout design before, it is easy to give up. Yes, you can create everything manually, journal lines, headers, spacing, but it takes hours, especially if you're building 50 or 100 pages. BookBolt gives you over 100 ready-made interiors sized perfectly for KDP. And their drag and drop designer lets you tweak layouts, add graphics, and customize covers. No design background needed. You don't need to become a designer to publish on KDP. You just need to publish consistently, and tools like BookBolt help you do that faster. Want to publish your first book without the Canva headache? Try BookBolt using the link down below and get your first book up today.